Which remote control helicopter is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Busco RC Helicopter. Let's kick things off with the Busco RC Helicopter. Priced at $39.99, this one caught my eye with its vibrant red color and the promise of 30 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. If you want a fantastic indoor flying experience for your kids, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this helicopter stands out. First off, it boasts 7 different LED light modes that can really captivate kids. Imagine the excitement when the lights flash as it flies around the room. It also features an upgraded gyro system that maintains a stable hover, which is perfect for beginners who might struggle with keeping it steady. The 2 included batteries mean you can enjoy up to 34 minutes of flying, giving your kids plenty of time to play without interruption. Plus, it's built with a durable PVC body that can withstand crashes, which is a huge plus for those inevitable bumps. Now, some reviewers mentioned that it can be a little tricky to control at high speeds. Here's the thing though, if your kids are just starting out, that's actually not a deal breaker. They can practice on lower speeds until they feel comfortable. This is perfect for you if you have kids who are eager to learn and have fun indoors. Skip this one if you're looking for something to fly outdoors, as it's better suited for indoor play. Overall, you're getting solid value for your money with this one. Now, if you found the Busco a bit pricey for your taste, the next one might just be your speed. Product number 2, Ford DRC RC Planes. Next up is the Ford DRC RC Planes, priced at $29.58. This little plane caught my attention with its promise of being easy to fly for both kids and adults. If you want a fun and engaging flying experience without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. What's great about this RC airplane is that it has multiple fun modes, including 360 degrees flips and a headless mode, which makes it super easy for beginners to control. You can literally throw it into the air and it takes off on its own. The built-in LED lights allow for night flying, turning your backyard into a glowing spectacle. The lightweight EPP foam construction ensures that even after crashing, it still flies like new, a significant relief for parents worried about breakage. However, some users reported that the battery life is a bit short, lasting around 10 minutes. But honestly, for the price and the fun factor, that's not a deal breaker. It's a great option for short play sessions, especially during family gatherings. This is perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-fly option, especially kids and beginners. Skip this one if you're looking for serious aerobatics or longer flight times, but for casual fun, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want something specifically geared towards indoor use. Product number 3, Zicatec RC Helicopter. Now let's talk about the Zicatec RC Helicopter, priced at $33.98. The vibrant green design really stands out, and it's designed for beginners and kids alike. If you need something easy to control that's still fun, this helicopter deserves your attention. What I love about this one is its height maintenance feature. It can hover in place, making it easier for kids to play without constantly adjusting it. The one-key takeoff and landing function means no complicated maneuvers. Just press a button and go. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries for around 20 minutes of flight time. The 2.4 GHz frequency allows you to control it from a distance without worrying about interference. But here's a catch. It's not recommended for outdoor use, especially in windy conditions. Some users found that frustrating if they wanted to take it outside. But honestly, if you're primarily looking for indoor fun, that isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 who are curious about flying and want something straightforward to use. Skip this if you're looking for something robust for outdoor adventures, but for indoor play, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're after something even more durable and well-constructed, the next one might just be what you need. Product number 4, SYMA S107H ERC Helicopter. Next up, we have the SYMA S107H ERC Helicopter, priced at $39.99. This one caught my attention because of its durable alloy body and excellent ratings. If you want something that can handle rough landings and still fly smoothly, this is worth considering. The SYMA S107H E is built to last. Its alloy construction means it can withstand crashes and bumps, which is perfect for beginners learning to fly. It features a simple one-button takeoff and landing system, along with altitude hold for stable hovering. This makes it super easy for kids to operate, even if they have no prior experience. The dual speed modes allow for progression, so as they get better, they can increase the speed. However, some users mentioned that it could be a bit heavier than plastic alternatives, which might affect flight times. But honestly, that weight lends to its durability, so I'd say it balances out. This is great for kids and adults who want something sturdy and easy to control. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for outdoor use, but for indoors, it's a fantastic choice. Now, if you're looking for something more compact and portable, the next product might just be your best bet. Product number 5, Vados RC Helicopter. Last but not least, we have the Vados RC Helicopter, priced at $29.99. This one is designed for ages 12 and up, and is really accessible for beginners. If you want something that's easy to use and fun for everyone, this might be the one. The Vados RC Helicopter features one key takeoff and landing, making it hassle-free to control. The altitude hold function keeps it stable after takeoff, which is fantastic for those just starting out. It has a nice remote range of up to 160 feet, allowing for plenty of play area. The LED lights add a bit of flair, making nighttime flying a blast. One downside is that the battery life is around 12 minutes, which some users found a bit short. However, the fast USB charging makes up for it. You can recharge in about an hour, so you'll be back in the air quickly. This is perfect for anyone wanting a straightforward flying toy that's fun and easy to manage. Skip this if you want an advanced option for outdoor use, but for indoor fun, it's a solid pick. So there you have it. 5 great remote control helicopters, each with their own unique features and benefits. Whether you're looking for durability, ease of use, or just plain fun, there's something here for everyone. To wrap it up, we've covered the Busco for DRC, Zicatec, SYMA, and Vados helicopters. Each offers something unique, whether it's durability, ease of use, or just pure fun. So, whatever your needs are, there's a helicopter on this list that'll fly right into your heart.